Almost all of us sooner or later wondered how to make money quickly. Regular financial crises, layoffs at work, and other life circumstances force us to look for ways to earn extra money. Let's look at 8 ideas for making real income. Renting out property. Everyone has some kind of equipment or household items that can be rented out for an hourly rate. Surprisingly, a variety of things are rented out, from dresses and dishes for a wedding to tablets and computers. So, on the internet, you can see an advertisement for the search for microwave ovens for rent to organize a corporate event in the office. Before renting out a property, it's recommended to contact lawyers and draw up a competent contract that you will sign with clients in case of property damage or theft. Online surveys. Paid surveys are public opinion surveys that are necessary to determine the preferences, tastes, interests of people, and are aimed at improving product quality, improving service levels, or satisfying other needs that will bring some benefit to researchers. Paid surveys are conducted by large companies that need your opinion about their products or services. And, accordingly, to interest each participant in filling out a questionnaire, they pay a reward. Most of the research focuses on certain products that we often buy. Some manufacturers are interested to know the reasons why we choose their product or another manufacturer's product. So, you can become a participant in a social survey and get paid for it using the following services: OnePoll, SurveyBods, Toluna, and others. After registration, the user will receive various paid questionnaires. By answering all the questions, the respondent will receive a reward. Private consulting. If you are well versed in a particular area, you can start consulting. Many choose to pay money to a person with experience that will save them from mistakes rather than spend time learning on their own. To start consulting on the internet, you don't need an office, employees, and expensive office equipment. All you need is a computer with a webcam or a laptop where it's already built in, a headset, good internet, and a messenger with a video calling function. You can search for clients through special consulting services, freelance exchanges, forums, and thematic groups on social networks. The cost of the consultation will depend on many factors, including the field of activity, region of residence, education, experience, and professionalism. Sale of unnecessary things. You can quickly earn money by getting rid of unnecessary things that you have at home. It's no secret that most people buy a lot more things than they really need. It's time to part with them and return the money spent. Take a good look around your home, look for items and personal items that you don't use and will never use in the future. For you, this is old trash taking up space, but for someone, it can be a bargain. Set up a sale. There are special groups on social networks where you can leave your offer for sale, or you can place ads in online stores. You won't sell them dearly, but you will get some money, and you can invest it in a more profitable business. The sale of retro items is gaining more and more popularity. For you, an antique piece of furniture can be just an old chair, and for designers and connoisseurs of retro, it can be one of the unique design solutions. Many design agencies buy old furniture for restoration. Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is an amazing way to make money fast. You can earn over $100 in an instant. Amazon asks people to deliver customer orders. This is truly one of the quick money jobs that you may want to consider over a longer period of time. They pay $18 to $25 an hour to ship these orders. You will need your own car that meets Amazon specifications and some free time. Any woman or man over the age of 21 can become an Amazon Flex employee. Download the Amazon Flex app, complete your registration, and wait. After successfully confirming the app, you can start delivering Amazon items to earn $100 fast. Become a donor. If your age and weight allow, you have no contraindications or individual intolerance, then your healthy body can be useful in replenishing the donor bank. Without harm to your own health in special institutions, you can donate some resources from your body's reserves. The most affordable and legal way is to donate blood and hair. It's easy to become a donor because such material is always required. You won't be able to earn a lot of money, but if necessary, it may turn out to be timely support for a certain period. Having fulfilled certain requirements, a man or woman can become a donor both once and repeatedly. Make money from recycling. You can get paid to recycle lots of things that you put in your disposal bins. Not only are you helping the earth while recycling, but you're also giving back to your wallet. Contributing your earnings, even if it's a few dollars, could free up a few extra spending dollars in your budget each week. You can get money for recycling the following items: paper and cardboard, bottles and cans, scrap metals, unused gift cards, batteries, old electronics. Conduct an audit of your apartment or house. Surely you can easily find old books, unnecessary newspapers or magazines, flyers, and brochures. Most sources of precious metals are household and computer equipment. But if it is in working condition, it's much more profitable to sell it than to extract a few grams of non-ferrous metal from it. By the way, you can connect relatives, friends, and even neighbors to this process. Surely everyone wants to usefully get rid of unnecessary trash. Offer fast services through social media. Ask yourself, what exactly are you good at? Through social networks or sites with ads, you can find customers for a lot of services. General cleaning. Walking dogs, pet sitting during the departure of the owners, for example, cats or hamsters. House sitting. Repairing plumbing and minor household repairs. Manicure, hairstyle, and other beauty services. Setting up and repairing computers. Photo shoots. Writing greetings, proofreading. If the ways to earn money are relevant to you now, you can watch a few more videos on this topic. Links will be in the description. And also like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos.